In an unprecedented move, Seattle Public Schools canceled all classes to test all students and staff for COVID. And moments ago, we found out the district used all 60,000 of its tests. Good evening. I'm Mark Wright.
I'm Joyce Taylor. Testing that many students is not easy, and it forced many families to wait outside in the cold. King 5's Kayla Lafferty joins us live from one of those testing sites, McClure Middle School, tonight. So, Kayla, what was it like there?
Well, hearing that all 60,000 tests were used is not a surprise at all based on what me and my photographer Tate saw today. The line started at the entrance to McClure Middle School, wrapped down the block, around the parking lot, down a whole other block, hundreds of people. Many parents were happy to just have an opportunity for their kids to get one of those hard to come by tests, but others were frustrated.
I don't want to get any of my classmates sick, so yeah.
Winter break was one day longer for Seattle Public School students after the district canceled classes due to COVID-19 concerns. This as cases are increasing due to the contagious Omicron variant.
We have one test at home, but I feel like I have to hold on to it because we can't necessarily get more. So, I think it's really a good plan.
The district received 60,000 rapid antigen tests from the Washington State Department of Health for COVID-19 test clinics for SPS students and staff at a time when tests are hard to come by.
For the most part, there's no test at home kits anywhere from Olympia all the way up to the Canadian border practically, so we didn't really have much of a choice.
Many parents choosing to do what it takes for peace of mind and to keep kids in classrooms.
As long as we can be in person, I'm willing to do virtually anything.
Even if that meant standing in line hundreds of people long in the wind, rain, hail, and even snow for a COVID test.
It's totally worth it. Yep, we got to do what we got to do.
Even if it's standing in a hailstorm.
Exactly.
But other parents weren't so tolerant of the conditions.
The line is at least 10 blocks long. It's in the middle of a snowstorm, and it's not worth it to subject my child to this for testing. We're going home untested because we're not dealing with this.
And we did reach out to Seattle Public Schools for comment. They declined an interview with us, but they did confirm that schools should be back to in-person learning tomorrow. Live in Seattle, Kayla Lafferty, King 5 News.